Hi, my name is Haley Nadrup, and this is my slideshow on associative technologies. So the first web browser or page that I found was called Snap and Read, and this theoretically helps the students to fully participate in the online classroom environment. And the point is to make across the curriculum that you have for the student, but offers like the tools that they can have where they can meet different learning styles and learn in like the normal workforce today. And especially with COVID, I think the toolkits are really nice to have someone read to you or just benefit from. Now, for the students and staff, K-12, it actually can go from 25 cents a year to $2 for teachers and students to use this app and all the tools to get full access. And on the web browser, it said it was meant for every student, so it can be used for every single student in your classroom, and it is meant to help them in their learning progress. Some features that this tool has is it has read alouds, and it has text traveling translations for them when they do read, and they have study tools and picture supported dictionaries on the website. And here is actually the website. When you go to it, it shows like how students are working, and it shows the toolkits and how it's 360 degrees, and it shows you what you can do on the website. And I think it's pretty cool that it has reading translations and just like text and speech screenshot recorders. I think is actually really cool. So I think this is a cool tool to use in the classroom. My next source that I found was called Reading Rockets, and it's actually based for your student if your child has a learning disability, and they can benefit through this technology as tools for the students to play and work on their strengths in the classroom and just to work around their challenges that they have in general, even when it comes to learning disabilities. So it is free, actually. It's just a website, and the one thing is you can just donate to the cause, and I thought that was actually pretty cool that they had like something free to use for students. And obviously this is meant for students with disabilities. Some of the tools that it has or features for this website is it has math tools, it has organization and memory tools for the students to learn, it has reading and writing tools and listening tools, and it actually has alternative keyboards for the certain students that have disabilities, and it also has like worksheets for the students to have, and this is the website. So it has like the key bar where you can pick and do videos and blogs and pick stuff, and it shows the audience, so you choose your audience and what you want to do. It has books for the students to read. I think it's just a really cool website to use, and even tells you what you can do on it, and it shows you like what, and on the website it tells you what you can do and how you can click on like alternative keyboards for the students, and you can click on the math worksheets. And I think this is just really cool, and the fact that it's a donation organization is actually really cool, so it's available to everyone. Let's see. So that was this website, and that's my video.